never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to show you my laser designs that I created around an arcade theme here. I'm going to show you 5 different designs, not just these 2 that you see on the screen here, but these 2 are the ones that I started with, so we're going to start talking about them first. So first up, we have the arcade claw machine here. As you can see, we have the little coin return there, and then we have a joystick, and then the little button to make the claw go up and down. The only thing is that claw doesn't actually go up and down. It's just a stationary piece of wood in there that looks like a claw. I went ahead and put in my coins that I created when I first got my laser here. This is one of my first projects I ever did, so I thought it would be kind of fitting to put in there, kind of like the claw was picking up the coins. It does have an actual slot here for the prizes to fall through, just for added effect. And then on the side, I just wrote Fresh Start Customs in cursive there on both sides. I think it looks really great. I was really happy with how this turned out. A lot of people like this. You can loosen up the slots up top to make it like removable, so you can put items in and out of this to display. So this one would be more of like a display unit. You could use it as a piggy bank, but once it hits that edge, it will flow over down into this section here. So keep that in mind. This one, however, it kind of spawned from this one. So I went and made an actual arcade machine, and this one is actually a piggy bank. So if you see on the top there, you just put your coins in here, and you're probably wondering, how do you get your coins out? Because this doesn't open up here. Well, this little flap pulls forward and then lifts up, and then you dump your money out the front. That's how you do that, and then you just push it back into place, and then it's locked into place again. So that's how you get the money out. Basically, we just wrote Fresh Start Customs. You can put any design that you want or wording that you want on here. And then I just put FSC Grandmaster Challenge and press any key to start. We did the same thing with the joysticks. We used the same joysticks from this design onto this design. I went a little bit more in detail with all of the punch jabs, etc., the kicks and everything on this. So you have the start buttons. Another FSC logo there, the same logo down here, and then we put these same logos and insert coin on the sides and the top here to insert your coins. So like I said, this is a piggy bank. This whole thing is empty. You can fill this entire section up and then dump them all out the front there. Super cool designs. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. The next one, I decided instead of a machine, we wanted to make a popcorn machine for our, our arcade here. So you can put little popcorn kernels in here instead of actual popcorn, but if you put actual popcorn in here, you'd probably get like 5 to 10 pieces maybe, if that, probably 5 pieces max. But the kernels look really cool in it too. So you can put kernels in there. This just lifts on and off. It looks awesome. The wheels turned out awesome. I went ahead and did walnut for the wheels just to give it like an added flair or an extra color. And then we've got this really good detailed coloring or little filigree on the sides here with popcorn on it. Same thing on the back and the front of the cart here. We got popcorn and the same filigree there. That was something kind of neat, just a neat little one-off there that I thought would be cool to go with this series. You can't have an arcade without a pinball machine, so we went ahead and made a pinball machine here. And on the popcorn machine, I forgot to mention, you could technically store coins or whatever you want other than like popcorn kernels in there. It just would look coolest with popcorn kernels. But the pinball machine itself doesn't actually store anything. This one's just for fun. It's completely hollow on the bottom here, but this one is just fun. We have the countdown timer of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have the rocket blasting into space or blasting off the moon. And we have all of the details down here of the actual pinball machine itself. So super detailed. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. We have the actual insert coin, the little puller on the front for your pinball to go out. This one looks really neat. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out as well. And then last but not least, I actually got two versions of this. This is our slot machine here. So this is our large version here. I call this the jumbo. And I've got an even larger version than this that I'm not going to show you because it's not going to fit on camera with all these others. And I think I called that one the Ultra. It'll say Ultra up top here instead of jumbo. And then we also have a smaller version. Let me grab that. The smaller version we call the penny slot. So this is the tiny penny slot. I went ahead and threw a screw in there, but it doesn't come with the screw by default. It comes with just a piece of wood to hold it in, like this one back here. But I went ahead and threw a screw in there. It's a little bit more secure, but the one with the wood piece, you got to reach down into and tighten it up every once in a while. So keep that in mind. But essentially these are both piggy banks as well. So you just lift the lid off. You can dump coins in there. Like I said, this one has the screw, so that might get in the way of the coins. There is a slot up front, so depending on how small of an item you put in there, it may fall out the front. So keep that in mind. Same thing with this one. This one is a piggy bank as well, and then that's kind of what the inside looks like without the screw in there. And then you can just put the lid back on. These turned out really awesome. Like I said, this is kind of my arcade / gaming series. I know you don't really see slot machines in an arcade very often, but this way you have machines or games for any age or category. Hopefully you guys found these interesting. If you're interested in any of these designs or making them, I have a link down in the description below to our Etsy shop, and you can make this with your laser engraver. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below.